If you're looking to connect your n8n AI automation to cal.com, then this video is for you. First, create a new n8n workflow and add the cal.com trigger. You can choose the events that you would like to add to the workflow, such as whenever a booking is created or a booking is canceled. Go back to cal.com, click on Settings, and then click on API Keys. Click on the Add button and then give a name for your API key. So I'll call this YouTube tutorial, but you can call it whatever you'd like. For the expiration date, you can set the API key to expire, or you can check this toggle to make the API key never expire. Then click Save. Copy the API key, go back to n8n, and open up your cal.com trigger. Under Credentials, add a new credential, and then paste your API key here. Then click Save. Once that is finished, you can close out of this. Make sure that your workflow is activated by clicking Save, and then checking this toggle button. Now go back to cal.com and open up one of your meetings. Choose any time and then book the meeting. Now we can go back to n8n and see that a new execution should have been triggered. Click Copy to Editor. And here we can see the event details for the meeting that we've just booked. Now, if you would like the n8n workflow to only execute for specific events, you can do so by adding an if node, connecting that to cal.com, and then searching for event title. Put that up here, and then you can copy the event title for the meeting that you've just booked. Now everything that executes after the true branch will only apply to meetings that match this event title. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.